Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to the Bob coin video update. And this is almost like a meme coin, extension video after PEPE. We've seen PEPE actually moving really high, and I thought it's time maybe we talk about Bob as well. So Bob has been getting my attention as a meme coin as well, because I do see that the technical ratings of Bob is a very strong buy, of course. And right now I want to show you that the volume has been up in the past few days. So if we go back into the volume, you got this one very big green huge spike back in 11th of May, and you had another very big spike at 13th of May as well. So these are two spikes that I ended up looking at. So yeah, those were the spikes that were actually there, and the buyers were looking at it. So if I do remove everything here and clear the charts as well, do not get any bullish anytime soon at the moment, because you are sitting at the resistance for Bob, and that's where I want to see if that resistance is going to be broken or not. And then we potentially could be looking at maybe even 100% move to the upside, or 130% move to the upside for Bob. And speaking of which, some people are going to say that, we are particularly breaking out, and I'm going to take the trend line and tell you that, oh yeah, we are breaking out of here. We are back testing as well, so it's time that Bob actually takes off and move to the upside. But you zoom out a little bit and you're going to get a bigger picture, because zooming out is really important. So when you zoom out, you're going to notice that this isn't a pattern like like so, but it's actually a pattern like almost like this. Okay, now for meme coins like this, yeah, I do agree that they tend not to care about technical analysis. They don't care about TEA at all. It's just like a whale buying and pumping the prices, and it's just a luck, sheer luck for you if things start to pump. I do agree with that, but just for the sake of having technical analysis, it's important. Let's say it just gives you an idea if that thing is actually going to take off. So I'm going to get an idea that Bob is about to take off if this happens, and that is something like this actually does happen. So I personally think that you have a very valid resistance right now. So you got one touch here, one touch there, one touch here, one touch here, and now you're having another touch there. The irony about this is that you've made just a wick closing. You see the wick ended up closing like this. So we need the prices to start to climb up and come down and hold the retest and push to the upside as well. So we're talking about a move to the upside, which is going to be from there to there. And if everything goes as expected, then I will be looking at Bob coin to actually go to a technical target, which is going to be up here, and we're talking about 120% move to the upside. So I'm just going to leave it like this. Let's see if we can actually try to still push to the upside and go up. Otherwise you might get rejected here, go down again, and then you got another support level right down over here, and then in the future come up, make a double bottom like this, and a scenario like that is also possible. So that's it for this just quick Bob update at the moment. I'm just exploring some of the meme coins as well. And if you found this video, follow this channel. You might not see it again, because once again, not so many people are talking about some hidden coins like this as well. So I'm pretty sure if you reach this video and you search this video, then I'm pretty sure that you're a guy that is actually searching the market, that is actually really seeking into the market and try to search for that one coin like PEPE out there. So yeah, support the video as well, and that's it. I'm gonna see you the next one. Love is.